All right, so let's continue the documentation, and we see I just want to go through mathematical operations. I've talked about that, and then I want to go to the creation of a box. Okay, so manipulating a box, we're done with getting started. Let's do manipulation of a box. All right, so we'll go through most of the quick things, and then so to draw a box, they are telling us in the previous lesson we have seen some math script useful capabilities. However, nothing is visible in the scene yet. All right, so what do we need to do? If we want to create a box, okay, we use the box command. All right, so let's I come now. I'm now using the other one was the listener, okay, and now remember I opened the editor window, so I'm now using the editor. So if let me first right click and clear all. I still clear all in the listener. All right, in the listener, select all and then clear all. All right, so let me also delete everything in the scene here. Okay, delete. Of course, the listener will give us whatever is there. So if I press enter, nothing will happen because this is now the editor. All right, so for me to have something appeared here, I have to come to tools, and then I choose evaluate all, or I can even evaluate a line. So tool, evaluate line. So I've evaluated line and it has created a box. Now I'm going to give that box a variable. All right, so a variable, let's say I have two baskets, okay, and the first is one has red oranges and the other has green mangoes. All right, so I've mixed the colors, but let's say basket 1 has oranges, okay, is equal to oranges. So I'm putting this in quotes, oranges. All right, and then basket 2 is basket 1, and basket 2 is equal to mangoes. All right, so if I come and evaluate only that line, okay, all right, nothing is happening, but here in the listener it has shown me that it has evaluated oranges. So I want to add the two words, so I can easily say bus 1, okay, plus bus 2. All right, so if I run that, I want to evaluate only that line, which is shift enter. All right, I get an error. So let me clear all, and then first of all I need to select all, and then I clear all. All right, so shift enter for running the line, I get an error. Now this error comes because I have issues. The first issue, I need to terminate. All right, so now if you have a function within Mac script, you may not terminate, but if you have a statement, you have to terminate. All right, so again, let me try again, and I run, shift enter. I have an error because still I have not terminated this. All right, so shift enter. Now it's okay. All right, now there is an issue here. It has said it's okay, but it has not printed the statement for me. Okay, it has verified that this is okay, but then we want to print. What do we want to print? We want to print the value, so we're going to get x is equal to that, so we are assigning a variable. So I'll try and print x by pressing shift and enter. All right, and then you can see we have it has combined the two words. I have one box here. If I choose to evaluate all right, it's going to create another box in that same space. All right, so that is it for today. We're going to see how we continue manipulating the box properties in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.